What's going on, everybody? In this video, we're using ChatGPT to play some chess for us. Basically, I've written a very short and simple Python script, about 28 lines of code, that just keeps track of all the chess piece locations. It lets me update the chess piece locations to where they are, which square, and then I'm going to print that back out and upload it into ChatGPT as we go. Okay, so the prompt looks something like this. I'm playing a game of chess. Oh yeah, and by the way, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. I like making this content. It's a lot of fun, and I really live off of your subscriptions and watch this video all the way through to the end. Anyway, the prompt says, I'm playing a game of chess. I'm the white player. I'm going to provide you with a list of pieces and their locations. I want you to tell me the best move. Keep the responses short and simple. For example, blah, blah, blah. Well, I move white pawn from A2 to A3, and then it gives the full location of everything. So this is what this is going to say. What move white pawn to from B2 to B4? Okay, so I go into here. I go from B2 to B4. Okay, and then it's going to move. So I'm gonna update the locations. So we're gonna have white pawn 2. Enter the new location of white pawn 2 is going to be B4. Okay, and now we have to update. What is this? This is going to be E7. What was an E7? E7 is E7. It was black pawn 5, right? E7 is black pawn 5, and we're going to move that to E5. So black pawn 5 to E5. Okay. And we're going to put in this new thing here. Move white pawn 3 from C2 to C4. Fair enough. So C2 to C4. Okay, and now let's update this, which is going to be what? White pawn 3, C2, C4. Pawn 3 to C4. Now we have updated, but it also made a move. And that move was, so what was in F8? Well, we got to look back through here. F8 was black bishop 2. Okay, so we're going to say black bishop 2, and that goes to B4. B4. Oh wow, and it took my white pawn. So white pawn 2 is now off. Or he's already gotten me once. Thank you for the clarification. In that case, a good move would be for white could be to develop their knight and threaten the black bishop by moving white knight 1 from. Okay. Anyway, ChatGPT, it can play chess for you, and it's not perfect, but it can suggest some moves if you can tell it, what to do. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and have a great day.